Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to configure a proxy in the Genlogin anti-detect browser. Launch your browser. To set up a proxy, select Proxy Manager from the left panel. Click Add Proxy, and in the pop-up window, click Add Proxy again to input your proxy details. A window will appear indicating the format for entering your proxies. For a free proxy, use the following format: protocol type, 2 slashes, IP address, and proxy port separated by a colon. For a personal proxy, use this format: protocol type, 2 slashes, IP address, proxy port, username, and password separated by a colon. After setting everything up, click Add at the bottom. The proxy will appear in the workspace. To test its functionality, click Check. If the proxy is working, a notification will appear confirming this. Now you need to link the proxy to your profile. Click Create Profile and enter your profile information. In the Proxy Type section, the default setting is No Proxy. You can set your proxy by selecting Your Proxy, or choose a previously configured proxy by clicking on Gen Proxy. Select the proxy you specified earlier, complete all profile information, and create it. The proxy is set up and ready to be used with your profile. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, ProxySale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.